Whoa, all right guys, what's going on? So it should be what's going off here today, because Jim's yard is going off. This is probably the most abundant, the prettiest, the most healthy. I've probably seen this in all my years of coming here. And I was just blown away last week. I was here and I made you guys that market video. And I was like, I need to get back when we have some good lighting to get you guys some epic footage. And today we've got some awesome overcast. It's just after 7 a.m. Forget what the date is, but I've been coming here almost weekly. So last week was the market video. This week is a little bit of a front yard follow-up video. What are we doing over here, Jim? Good morning.
Morning, Pete.
You picking some of them sugar snaps?
Yeah, a little bit. First big harvest. A little disappointed they don't get as big as they do in Maine. I'm not sure about why, but still, it's a nice little treat.
As far as plumpness of the actual pea,
oh,
yeah.
Well, yeah, normally, I mean, when they're really full, they'd be like that much longer. Up there, I don't know. Same variety, so, you know, Florida's not Maine.
Wow.
That's for sure, but, you know, everybody's getting a quarter pounder in the share today, so that's good.
What are you going to do with all this food?
Get it in people's bellies. That's my job in life. Feed the people. Alexander told me that when she met me the first time. Yeah, I'm kind of getting a little weary, so break could be good. And, you know, there's more money than I need, so it's mostly about making sure the crops continue so I can, when I get back, I can continue until April. So, or mid-April, I think I'll be done.
So more food than you can eat, more money than you need. You're just loading in abundance, huh?
I guess. Maybe not enough fishing time.
All right.
My brother will work on that when his knee starts getting better.
All right. I feel your problem there.
I bet you do.
Pick of the garden this week?
Pick of the garden.
Pick of abundance.
It is.
Whoa.
This is a good scale. Spread the abundance.
Lettuce mix. Whoa. Ready to go.
And I let my soil block, I've been so busy, I let the soil blocks go like 4
Jim, you've
days,
been busy?
4 days extra.
I thought you were just over here napping, reading books. You telling me this stuff doesn't plant itself?
Nope, it doesn't, and it's
What?
a little too much for me.
Look at this bed since last time I came. Wow.
You should see the front one. It's awesome.
It looks awesome, Jim.
Yeah, they're coming good. There'll be more sunflowers for cut flowers. And
First year, new
First
soil,
yeah.
looking good.
And then look at the loquats. See, everybody wants to trim a tree up to be a tree, but you know, that's low-hanging fruit. Isn't that what they used to call that?
The low-hanging fruit. Yeah.
So I'll dodge it. I don't care.
All right, don't mind if I do.
No, that's a seedling of Christmas too.
This is a Christmas seedling?
Yeah.
Loquat. That's a really good seedling.
Little small apples, radishes, carrot, green, garlic. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or something else.
Kohlrabi?
Yeah, there it is. Off to market. Well, off to CSA.
You gonna bring an umbrella today?
Nope, I always just get wet.
Oh man.
This is nothing compared to Maine. I still remember that first
People
year.
are gonna be wondering, we had Big Red last week. What's going on? You riding in comfort this time?
I don't got quite as much, and plus it's raining over it. Everything gets wet, so yeah, I'll take the new van.
Cheating today, Jim.
Yep.
Still taking the back roads?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. See what the fishing maybe look like. Johnny's leg gets better. But yeah, I still remember 2009 in Maine. It rained every day of the month of June. There was slugs all over the inside of my wall tent. I had a friend that had a dog, and there were slugs in the husky fur.
Oh my gosh.
It was terrible. So this is nothing.
No big deal.
Nope.
It's gonna get cold. You better bring a jacket.
Oh, you're right.
Oh.
Good call. Good call.
All right guys, so today's video with Jim was really just to get you some epic footage of the garden, show you how amazing everything's looking, show you the abundance that's growing on here. This time of year, everything is just going off. We got some kind of unsightly weather moving in. You can see here from the west. Right now, Texas is getting pummeled with snow. I think we're supposed to get back down into the 30s tonight, in the 80s yesterday, so can never really keep up with what the weather is doing here in Florida, but hopefully I got you guys some epic B-roll. I know I got you guys some good drone footage. This place looks unbelievable from above. Just wanted to kind of do a follow-up and stay on top of Jim's garden this year, just because I've never seen it pumping like this before. Every year it just seems to get a little better, and that's, you know, as the soils are building, you know, the plant quality, plant health, all of that is improving also, and I think that's what we're starting to see out here in the garden. But I know Jim's busy picking lettuce. He got to get to his pick of the garden, so not going to bother him a lot longer today. We're going to go kind of wrap this thing up, and I got to get onto some consultations. So quick follow-up. Did you guys see this? Whoa. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Most importantly, you know what we do around here? We pound lots of dirt. All right.